When we think of Sigma males, also known as the lone wolf, we think of self-reliant and autonomous men. Although they are very similar to the alpha male, the lone wolf is different from the pack leader. Humans are emotional beings, and just as we are different in many ways, so do our levels of emotion. If you are acquainted with Sigma males, you will observe that they appear devoid of emotion, but I can assure you that they are molded that way for a reason. Keep watching until the end to see why Sigma men are, quote-unquote, emotionless. The love of quiet contemplation is a notable trait of the Sigma male. This trait prevents them from pursuing hierarchical positions in society, and is frequently misinterpreted as insensitivity and pride. Their preference for being alone stems from a dislike of social interaction. As a result, people interpret this as a lack of emotions, which is incorrect. They have feelings like everyone else, but only their close relationships are aware of these. Sigma males are not scared to ask what others would consider are sensitive questions. These types of men are active, deep thinkers who, when confronted with a situation, analyze it logically several times. The alpha male will almost certainly be the one to pose a sensitive yet necessary question. People label them as emotionless, but this is far from the case because all they do is think outside the norm. The lone wolf is unconcerned about what you think of them. They are self-assured and do not require validation from others. Your criticism does not affect how they see themselves, which may come across as arrogant, but that is far from the truth. Whatever your feelings are about them, the Sigma male respects you regardless, unlike the alpha male who acts as if your opinion doesn't matter, even though it really does. Small talk is considered a waste of time by the Sigma males. People who enjoy pleasantries, small talk, and the like will regard the Sigma male as emotionally detached. A Sigma male does not believe in participating in fruitless conversations, and when they do, they immediately disconnect. Small talk is not something that the lone wolf is good at, so they would rather avoid it. If you want a Sigma male to participate in your conversation, make it deep and relevant. However, if it is not, expect that the Sigma male will avoid that conversation. The Sigma male does not bite his tongue, which may come across as cruel to others. They believe in saying what they mean without equivocation, which makes them appear emotionless. If you don't like criticism, don't seek the advice of a Sigma male. They will not stroke your ego or tell you lies to make you feel better. Rather, they will tell you the truth, which may hurt your feelings. They believe in honesty so strongly that people perceive them as emotionless. The Sigma males have the ability to think logically. This means they examine a situation analytically before reaching a conclusion based on the facts they've all gathered. Expect the lone wolf to doling out emotions in a situation or incident because they need to understand the root cause of the situation. Because their world is ruled by data and figures, don't be surprised if they downplay a situation that upsets you. They will decide whether or not to invest their emotions in it as a result of this. What makes you say a person is emotional? Could it be when you've seen them show empathy on numerous occasions? But does this imply that the Sigma male is emotionless because he rarely or never displays it? No, the lone wolf is emotional as well, but in a different way. You can only witness their display of emotion if you are close to them. People on the outside hardly ever see this side of them, leading them to believe that the Sigma male is emotionless. However, Sigma males genuinely think that emotions should only be displayed only to close relationships and friends, never to strangers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the new videos that come out that are all just for you. See you in the next video of Superior Mentor.